I was a child, before I knew the word for snowstorm, before I remember a tree or a field, I saw an endless grey slate afternoon coming. I knew a bird singing in the sun was the same as a dog barking in the dark. A pigeon in a blizzard fluttered against the kitchen window. My first clear memory of terror. I kept secret. My intimations I kept secret. This winter I hung a grey and white stuffed felt seagull from the cord of my window shade. A reminder of good times by the sea, of Chekhov and impossible love. I took comfort from the gull. The graceful shape sometimes lifted the wing in the drafty room. Once, when I looked at the gull, I saw through the window a living seagull glide towards me, then disappear. What a rush of life. I remember its here-ness, while inside the room the senseless symbol, little more than a bedroom sleeper, dangled on a string. Beyond argument, my oldest emotion hangs like a gull in the distant sky. Eyes behind bars of mud and salt see some dark thing below. My roof under the sea. Only the sky is taken for granted. In the quiet morning light, terror's the only bird I know, although birds have fed from my hand.